Hello, ladies and business owners. How are you doing? All right, today we are going to talk about this. The first one is be mindful of deadlines and keep track of time. And this will show that you are a dependable and trustworthy business owner. You know what you are doing. And the next one is make use of proofreading tools and spell checkers to help you write good business proposals and business documents. Get more business deals and expand your business internationally with strong business English skills. Join the VIP one-on-one English coaching program. Some video star business owners like you. DM 101.